In this video, I will show you how to add days to a date in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some dates in this column. This column contains the number of days I want to add to these dates, and I want to get the final dates in this column. For example, the first date is 1st January 2024. I want to add one day to it so that the result is 2nd January 2024. But before we do that, let's first understand how dates are stored in Excel. Dates are just serial numbers in Excel. It starts from January 1, 1900, that is represented by the number 1. So, if we have the number 1 in the cell and we format it as a date, it will be displayed as 1st January 1900, as we can see from this example. Similarly, if we have the number 10 and format the cell as a date, it will be displayed as the 10th January 1900 like this. Since the dates are serial numbers underneath, we can add days to a date just like we add numbers. For example, for this date, we can use the plus operator to add one day to the first date like this. As you can see, we now have 2nd January 2024 as a result of adding one day. Let's copy the formula to other cells. Here, adding 31 days to 1st January 2024 will give us the 1st February 2024, since the January month has 31 days. Similarly, adding 91 days to 1st January 2024 will give us 1st of April 2024. Let's now see how to subtract days from a date. Subtracting days from a date is the same as adding days to a date. For example, to subtract one day from the 1st January 2024, we need to use the minus sign like this to get the date 31st December 2023. If we have the negative number of days, we can simply use the addition using the plus sign like this to subtract days from the date. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.